Hello and welcome to another episode of Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee. This is another episode of Vlogs from the Garage. So I managed to get all of my shelving back up and in a usable condition. So that was good. We've moved the Capri. We've moved both Capris actually. The other one is now back on the ground with its wheels on, ready to continue with its body work as soon as its cold weather has gone away. And we've got the 2.8 back on its little wheels, and I'm literally right now in the process of putting the other wing rail on. As you can see, I've been marking it up, making sure that it lines up the same as the other side and getting it cut into shape. I ended up putting loads and loads of cuts in this one just to get it to match the other side, because this side turned out spectacular. It's like pure perfection, whereas this side so far struggling. You see that dip there? It's struggling to even like follow. So it follows perfectly there, absolutely perfectly. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put this missing piece back in before I finally weld it down. But at the minute, I'm just trying to get it to follow the original, the original line. But yeah, there, it's just too flat. It runs flat rock and then bends down. Like there isn't a curve in it at all. I've put straight edge on it and there's a slight curve, but it needs to be way more. It needs to completely get rid of that horrible like bend in it there. But yeah, that's where we are so far with this other wing rail. I didn't want to do an entire video on it because we've already done a video on fitting the other side, so this is just a catch up. But I will include the finished account. It's Monday night now. I didn't even realise that it had been a week since I did the last little vlog, and I was hoping to have had all this done by then so I could move back on to doing and putting the front panel on, which is up here now. It's just in primer at the minute. I wanted to just get some primer on it to stop it from attracting any more rust, because there's still loads of little bits, look, that need the dints taken out of. Dint there. You can see how bent back that piece of the valance is compared to the shape it should be. So that's got to be addressed before it's put on. There's some more little kinks and dints in there that need to be knocked out. The welding needs to be finished on this corner and that corner as well. But yeah, this is just to stop it from going rusty any longer. So yeah, I'm going to crack back on with this wing rail, and then hopefully I'll be able to show you what the finished product is. That's as far as I managed to get. Literally tacking it on and welding that much in. But I'm using the same technique as I did to put the other side in, because as you put the fresh metal in, it peels the rusty and knackered stuff way out the back. So yeah, it's got a nice curve on it now. I had to cut it in so many places and rejoin it so that it matched the wing rail, the original position, and the actual wing itself. But yeah, it's got to 9 o'clock now, so I'm gonna stop it there, and hopefully I should be able to get on with putting out some proper videos next, instead of these little filling in what I'm doing in between shooting some proper videos. So I've been Lee. This has been Retro Cars Reborn, another vlogs from the garage. And if you're not already, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, check out the other videos I've got, and I shall see you in the next one.